Hello friends, Lily Bilang South Korea. Salute again. What did I say? What did I say, friends? This is continuation of my news. My news to you. This is very serious, friends, now. I want to show you the sheep over there. I know there are lots of people who are following me over there. Religious people. I don't need religion in my life. You know, friends, if you are open spiritually, you don't need religion anymore. Yeah, because what did I say? I want to do a huge mission that will shock the world soon. But first, I want to accomplish that now. People are mocking me because of doing God's will. But you know, God is there strengthening me. It's hard. It's hard that I couldn't bear. But I want you to know that I want to tell the people the whole truth about what God had revealed to me, no? For so many years had passed, and I'm like a traitor of the Most High, because I'm just ignoring, no? I know the truth, but I'm just ignoring about that. But this time, gusto kong bumawi, you know. So maybe God has tested me so very hard that I almost, you know, give up my life. But now I slowly understand the will. So next time, I will tell you the truth and the whole truth. Yes. Parang utom na? Ako? Parang utom na, mama. Oh. I'm just enjoying. Oh my gosh. It's raining over here, friends. It's raining over here. Ayoko sana mag-sombrero kasi lang. Uy, sali niyo naman ako dyan. Sali niyo ako. Huwag na, mama. Mama, you're recording here. Mama, sali mo naman ako dyan. Sige, kayo dalawa. Ito na lang picture mo, Beo. Ito sa akin. Okay. Naka-video yan. Ito lang ang picture. Ito lang ang i-click mo. Okay. Damihan mo, ha? Oh, sure. Okay. Hello! Lilimin mo sa kuya. Hello! Bakit ng ano? Ikatago niya lang talaga yung payong niya eh. Saan? Kumaya mo payungan kita. Ama, okay lang.
Kaya yan kayong dalawa. Yan, maganda.
Parang ingot lang. Ay, ang ganda. Autumn na, friends, in South Korea.
Yeah.
Parang ingot talaga ako. Inamin. Naka-ano yan, naka-video yan, be. Gusto mo, be? Tsurang kita. Diba ang cute, diba doon, no?
Ako isa daw.
Friends, oh, diba? Diba, friends? Utom na sa amin. Hindi naman halata, be, eh. Picturean natin itong nag-picture, oh, tingnan mo. Diba ang cute nila, no? Mama, it's cold na. Oh my gosh. Mama, you close your jacket because it's so cold na. Mama, baka mamumsal ka niyan. Okay na? Wow, piot ka, jowa. Katuwa, diba, friends, no? Autumn in South Korea. Anong date ngayon? October 3, 2024. It's autumn in South Korea. Yes! Diba ang cute naman dito? Ano ba sinasabi ko? Sabi ko may gagawin akong extraordinary mission that will shock the world soon. I just want to tell the world the truth. Because the truth shall set you free. Okay? Bye-bye. Ay, may 1 minute pa. Kala ko tapos na eh. The whole truth. I mean, ano lang friends, yung isi-share ko lang yung revelation ko ni God. Isi-share ko lang. And yes, I just want to share that. And we will shock. Thank you. Ay, boy, puda! Ay, puda! Ay, sus, ang cute naman, ay! Bye-bye. Dapat doon, oh. Ito, maganda eh. Mama, malamig na yung aking kamay. No?
Nilalamig na ang nilalamig na ang gurang. Ay.
Matanda. Ay, wow, cute nyo. Ay, sus, ginoo ko. Ay. Bye-bye! Ay, sus, ang cute. Ay, mas cute kayo pag nakaganyan, ha? Ay, grabe, ha? Maganda pag nakafocus. Ay, sorry. There are lots of people over here. Okay, bye-bye.